Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cake Angel, and today I'm going to show you how to make vanilla cupcakes. So first I'm going to start by adding my butter and sugar into the mixing bowl. For this I'm using a dairy-free butter, but of course if you're not dairy-free you can use regular butter. And I'm just going to give those a mix together until they're nice and combined. Next I'm going to add in my 2 eggs and my flavouring. And for this recipe I'm using a vanilla bean paste, but you could use any flavouring or an extract or emulsion. Now I'm adding my salt and my baking powder to my flour, and then I'm going to add that in thirds into the mixing bowl, making sure that it has a good stir between each addition. Finally, let's add in our milk. I'm using a plant-based milk, but you could just use regular milk for this. And then give the mix one final stir. So once that's done, you want to give the attachment and the bowl a good scrape down just to make sure that all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Okay, so now we're ready to put our mix into our cupcake cases. And for this, I'm just going to use a regular ice cream scoop, and I'm going to fill the cases about halfway. And once you've filled all the cupcake cases, you want to just give the tray a quick tap on the counter to remove any air bubbles, and then bake them in the oven for about 20 to 22 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they're lightly golden brown. And once they've cooled completely, they're ready for you to ice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out all the other bake along videos.